Hello, my name is Ricky Lay, and today we're going to be going over the importance and explanations on why stretching is so beneficial, especially after a Zoom class. Now, while reading these memes, I want you to make note of your body position and think about how that can put added stress and added strain to your muscles being seated in this position for long periods of time. In today's video, we're going to be going over why stretching is so important, the benefits of stretching and why you should do it more often, how simple it is to begin a stretching routine, and its conclusion. Why is stretching so important? Stretching keeps the muscles flexible, strong, and healthy, and we need that flexibility to maintain a range of motion in the joints. Without it, the muscles shorten and become tight. Then when you call on the muscles for activity, they are weak and unable to extend all the way. That puts you at risk for joint pain, strains, and muscle damage. For example, sitting in a chair all day results in tight hamstrings in the back of the thigh. That can make it harder to extend your leg or straighten your knee all the way, which inhibits walking. Likewise, when tight muscles are suddenly called on for strenuous activity that stretches them, such as playing tennis, they may become damaged from suddenly being stretched. Injured muscles may not be strong enough to support the joints, which can lead to joint injury. Now we're going to be going over the benefits to stretching and why you should do it more often. 1. Increases your flexibility. Regular stretching can help increase your flexibility, which is crucial for your overall health. Not only can improved flexibility help to perform everyday activities with relative ease, but it can also help delay the reduced mobility that can come with aging. Increases your range of motion. Being able to move a joint through its full range of motion gives you more freedom of movement. Stretching on a regular basis can help increase your range of motion. Improves your performance in physical activities. Performing dynamic stretches prior to physical activities has been shown to help prepare your muscles. It can also help improve your performance in an athletic event or exercise. Increases blood flow to your muscles. Performing stretches on a regular basis may improve your circulation. Improved circulation increases blood flow to your muscles, which can shorten your recovery time and reduce muscle soreness, also known as delayed onset muscle soreness or DOMS. Improves your posture. Muscle imbalances are common and can lead to poor posture. One study found that a combination of strengthening and stretching specific muscle groups can reduce musculoskeletal pain and encourage proper alignment. That in turn may help improve your posture. Helps to heal and prevent back pain. Tight muscles can lead to a decrease in your range of motion. When this happens, you increase the likelihood of straining the muscles in your back. Stretching can help heal an existing back injury by stretching the muscles. A regular stretching routine can help prevent further back pain by strengthening your back muscles and reducing your risk for muscle strain. Now make note once again to see if you've fixed your posture from when I told you to make note of that when I showed you the memes in the beginning of the slides. It's also great for stress relief. When you're experiencing stress, there is a good chance your muscles are tense. That is because your muscles tend to tighten up in response to physical and emotional stress. Focus on areas of your body where you tend to hold your stress, such as your neck, shoulders, and upper back. In today's day and age, everyone is very stressed, and a form of stress relief, as noted, is stretching. Can also calm your mind. Participating in a regular stretching program not only increases your flexibility, but it can also calm your mind. While you stretch, focus on mindfulness and meditation exercises, which give your mind a mental break. This is very important, especially after long periods of a Zoom instruction. helps decrease tension headaches. Tension and stress headaches can interfere with your daily life. In addition to a proper diet, adequate hydration, and plenty of rest, stretching may help reduce the tension you feel from headaches. How simple it is to begin a stretching routine. If you're new to a regular stretching routine, take it slow just like any other forms of physical activity. Your body needs time to get used to the stretches you're performing. You also need a solid grasp of proper form and technique, otherwise you risk getting injured. When stretching, focus on the major areas of your body that help with mobility, such as your calves, hamstrings, hip flexors, and quadriceps. For upper body relief, try moves that stretch your shoulders, neck, and lower back. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and avoid bouncing. You can stretch after each workout or athletic event. That sums up our period of instruction. Now that you have seen all the benefits that a simple stretching routine can do, why would you not take advantage of the newly learned knowledge and put everything to good use?